Hey everyone! I've got these super cool dungarees. You guys call them overalls, I think?
Yes.
Overalls. We're gonna call them dungarees because this is the British boutique. These ones are really fun. What I love about these is it is like an oversized loose leg fit. So it is not too tight. It's not fitted anywhere. Like it's super comfy. And then the back is like this crossover strap, which I think is really freaking fun. And then you've got like your normal dungaree straps up top. And then you've got this chunky rope drawstring, and it is a real drawstring, not just a decoration. And it's like paint splatter. So it'd be the kind of thing like my parents be like, "Are you paid for that?" Like rather than like, I could have had you get that for free by painting my house. And it's like, it's fashion. So anyway, I've got it paired just with the simple white tank so you can see how easy it is to wear. I wear dungarees a lot, like just undone, like that. Or I put like one shoulder up because I'm super cool. And then I normally actually tuck it in that way. So you kind of still get like the denim look. It's a fully adjustable strap as well. So you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. And as I said, the drawstring is real. So it's this really nice chunky rope. And it is like a real string all the way around, or rope I should say, all the way around the waist. So I can actually wear it lower. So you can kind of see there it's right on my hips. Or I can pull it up to my waist and then cinch it in with the rope and wear it as a higher look. So you do have flexibility on the length and how you want it to go. It does have pockets. It's got that crisscross strap that is fully adjustable, and it's super comfy and cool. So this comes in small, medium, large. Because of you pulling it up over your hips, I do recommend the size small is going to be your 0 through 6, 8. Medium is going to be your 8, 10, 12, and large is going to be your 12, 14. You can wear this if you're 16 in the size large, as long as your hips aren't too wide, just for comfort, getting it physically over your hips in the first place. Once it's on, it's super roomy and comfy. You don't need to worry about it, but I do want to point that out because there's no like button fly or zip anywhere in the pants section. If you do have any other questions on this one though, send us a message on the website. Click the blue chat button at the bottom right of the screen, and on the website click the bottom right account, which is the silhouette of the head, and then contact us and we can help you out.